Hi all, and warm welcome to one and all. In this class, I will introduce the future simple tense using a will and be going to. This is a very important tense that will help you express future actions and plans. There is a lot to learn, so let's get started. The future simple tense can be used to express a future action. Let's take a look at some examples. First one, I am called, I will close the window. I am called, well, that writes now. I will close the window. We start with the subject will and then the base verb. I will close the window. In this example, I am making a sudden decision because how I feel right now. I will close the window because I am called right now. Second example, that is, I will be at the library tomorrow. Again, you start with the subject and then will. After that, you have the base verb. You can use the be verb to talk about a confirmed plan. And I will be at the library tomorrow. The next example, that is, the economy will get better next year. In this case, the subject is the economy. Again, we follow with will and the base verb get. The economy will get better next year. I am making a prediction here about something that will happen in the future. And finally, I will help you with your homework. I am making a future plan to help you. I will help you with your homework. It doesn't say when, but I'm talking about the future. Let's move on. You can also use be going to express a future action. And it's almost the same as will. Here are some examples. First one is, there is no milk. I'm going to buy some. So, what you see here is the subject and then the be verb am. I am. And then here we use a contraction am. I am going to buy some. I made a decision to buy some because there is no milk. The next sentence says, he's going to take a trip in the summer. Because the subject is he, we use the be verb is. And we can use the contraction his. He is or his. Going to and then the base verb take. Take a trip in the summer. Again, an action happening in the future. Then last example, that is it looks like it's going to snow tomorrow. It looks like it's going to snow tomorrow. Here the subject is it, and so I use the be verb is. It is. It's is the contraction, and it's going to, and then we use the base verb snow. The word tomorrow shows that this is a future action. Okay, let's move on. Now let's take a look at the negative form of the future simple tense. The first example says, Raj will not like his English score. No matter what the subject is, we follow with the will not and then the base form of the verb. Raj will not like his English score. Next one, we won't give you money anymore. We won't give you money anymore. In this case, the subject is we and we follow with the contraction won't. It sounds really different and it's different from other contractions. But won't is the contraction for will not. So you can say we will not or we won't. They are the same and we won't give you money anymore. Again, you notice the base verb give after not. Let's move on. Now let's take a look at how to form basic questions in the future simple tense. The first sentence says, he will play with us. He will play with us. To turn this into a question, all we have to do is change the order of the first two words. Just change first two words. So, he will becomes will he. He will becomes will he. Will he play with us? Then question mark. Will he play with us? Put a question mark. The next sentence says, he is going to play with us. He is going to play with us. This one uses be going to. The subject is he, and so the be verb to use is. Then we have going to and then the basic verb. He is going to play with us. When I make a question, I simply again change the order of the first two words. Just the first two words. Is he going to play with us? Put a question mark. Is he going to play with us? Now, if the subject were to be you or we or they, we would say they are. And so the question would say, are they? Are they going to play with them? Are they going to play with them? Okay, so again remember, for will in the future simple tense, just say will, subject, and then the base form of the verb. However, for be going to questions, make sure that you pay attention to the proper be, a verb to use at the beginning of the question. To answer the first question, will he play with us? You can say yes and he will, or no, he won't. Is he going to play with us? You can say yes, he is going to, or no, he isn't going to. Okay, so I'm just to conclude this session. Before that, I will give you some work that is from page number 74, exercise 1. Fill in the gaps with the correct words from the box. So do it properly, and thank you. Have a nice day. Happy learning. Thank you.